Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the most amazing apricot ricotta olive oil cake. This cake is so moist, so summer appropriate. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. You're gonna start by prepping a 9-inch cheesecake pan. Just spray some baking spray, one parchment paper, and you're ready to go. Set aside, we're gonna work on the apricots. You're gonna need 7 to 8 apricots. If you don't have apricots, you can use plums, you can use peaches. It's totally up to you and they're all gonna work great. You're gonna cut in half, remove the inside and set aside. Now let's work on the batter. In a clean bowl, you're gonna add 2 large eggs. Each one is about 70 grams. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar, a touch of vanilla extract. I added about half a tablespoon of a good vanilla extract. You're gonna add the zest of 1 lemon. This is a super easy batter. You're gonna mix everything by hand using a whisk. After adding the lemon zest, you're gonna add 1 cup of full-fat ricotta cheese. The best kind you can find, really. You're gonna add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Mix as well. Now you're gonna start mixing the dry ingredients, which is basically 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients very well. Add on top of the batter. Mix just until combined. You don't need to overmix the batter. Some few lumps are okay. Pour the batter into the cheesecake pan, just like so. Top with the apricot halves and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. It took 40 minutes in my oven. It smells heavenly. I'm gonna brush it with a little bit of apricot jam. When it cools completely, I'm gonna dust it with some powdered sugar. Serve with ice cream or by itself. This cake was so moist, amazingly good. You have to give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!